Risk Simulator helps companies and individuals to support decisions under risk and uncertainty. Risk Simulator performs Monte Carlo simulations, uncertainty analysis, advanced optimizations, econometric and forecasting analysis, data science, portfolio management, among other business intelligence analytics. Risk Simulator is the total package, one Excel add in analytical software to rule them all. Risk Simulator, an easy-to-use tool, helping professionals to understand, quantify, and model risk in projects, business, and decision-making. With over 300 distribution functions and 1,000 analytical tools for business analysis, risk modeling and simulations, including engineering, pricing, logistics, supply chain management, project and investment analysis. Try before you buy, install for free and trial it within your own business environment to discover its power. Implement fast scenarios and dynamic sensitivity analysis to determine key risk factors and main business drivers. With regular updates released to reflect the latest trends, the current version now comes with over 12 different language options. Risk Simulator is the total package. Analyze the value of scenarios and new information in your decision-making process by running decision trees and using Bayesian analysis. Try before you buy within your own business environment and discover how to make decisions with risk in mind. Embed advanced forecasting, econometrics analysis, data science and stochastics process to predict future events or trends. This can include sales, prices, costs, inventories, returns, inflation, interest rates and their determinants. Implement static, dynamic and stochastic optimizations on production, sales, industrial processes, operations management, manufacture, logistics, supply chain, investments and more while you get useful decision-making reports. Customize and develop any company-specific decision-making model using more than 3,000 algorithms and business intelligence analytics and tools. Try before you buy. Download Risk Simulator at www.ozlriskmanagement.com. Risk Simulator, helping professionals to understand, quantify, and value risk in projects, investment, and making more informed decisions. It's sponsor of the Certified in Quantitative Risk Management, #IMCQRM. Thousands of companies and individuals are now modeling their futures by using Risk Simulator to make more informed decisions. Industries including oil and gas, banking, insurance, manufacturing, logistics, transport, consulting services, food services, government agencies, technology and telecommunications plus others are all reaping its benefits. Over 350 universities worldwide are enhancing teaching, education and research using Risk Simulator. Risk Simulator is the total package, one Excel add in analytical software to rule them all.